Good Monday morning, friends. Yes, we start the week off with a shot of my beautiful daughter Danielle in her little Mickey D's uniform. She had to be to work really early today and so offered to get me breakfast. Sausage biscuit with egg and cheese and a hash brown. And she got the exact same thing. Thank you, Danielle.
You're welcome. Yeah, so my morning's not turning out too good. That guy decided to run into my truck. Yeah, I think it's still drivable, but definitely some damage to it. I'll either show you guys some video of it later, or definitely some clips, pictures, I mean. Guys, have a good one.
We are at the apartment Danielle is going to be moving into, and we came across these. Let's see if I can. Little baby birds in a nest. How cute are they? Hello, friends. It is plant checking time. Kids came in and told me I had some very red tomatoes. See if we can find them. Oh, the neighbor's dog just hates me being out here. Ooh, looky down there. Almost ready. I love tomatoes. Tomatoes is like my favorite thing. I've got some beautiful green tomatoes going here. And I've got some really nice Anaheim peppers that we are about to plant. Oh, pick. There's my love bug. Come on, Pebbles. Come on, Pebbles. You need some screen time. Bam Bam and Tanner get all the glory. That's my Pebbles. Pulls out fresh water. How cold is it, Danielle?
Filled it a while ago. It shouldn't be cold anymore.
You step in it. If you squeal, then I'll know it's too cold.
It's fine.
So let's go get Bam Bam. Bam Bam, you want to go in the pool?
Go swimming.
Swimming. Water balls that nobody plays with.
You were gonna start swimming.
Oh, this feels so good. Nice water on you.
Good hair in the water.
Say, I can't help it. I can't help it, big sister. I can't help it if I get hair in the water. Mommy, tell her. Mommy, tell her. Tell her it's not my fault. Danielle, it's not Bam Bam's fault. Now, you're not holding him steady. That you know he doesn't like that.
He don't like that. I'm sorry.
He does not like that.
I'm sorry.
All right. What are you two doing over here? Just laying in the sun. Pebbles, you went from someone who never wants to be outside to loving laying out here in the sun. Mommy's so proud of you.
Well, I'm just out walking, geocaching, and let's see what I find in this little, pond out in front of his business. See that catfish floating around in there? It's a pretty big one too. This is a location of where a geocache is at. There's a window and a door, another window, And yes, that's all on a tree. A big tree. I mean, the name of the cache has to do with it, but you know, the windows and door don't really have anything to do with the cache. I just thought it was cool.
Hello friends, it is Saturday and we are headed into Walmart for the weekly shopping. I was wore out yesterday after taking Danielle to the college, so we didn't shop. I'll try to film some while we're here in the store. Here's what we have so far. Napkins. Michael, what kind of pie is that you're buying?
Lemon.
Lemon pie. It's not very full. Huh. Hey, we need to get some Nesquik for the for your birthday. What kind you want?
It's gotta be chocolate.
Look at all this tea and everything. Go ahead and pick out your Nesquik. Matt likes tea. I'm not a tea drinker. Look at the hot chocolates. Hello friends. It is Sunday evening. I'm picking up Danielle. Today's out time is 8:15. Fireworks are being sold. They have a sign up. It says buy one get 4 free. But before I got here, I saw another one that said buy one get 5 free. Although I'm not buying any. So, and for those who don't know, that those deals are always on like little bitty things. But anyway, I'm just showing you. My son Matthew actually worked at a fireworks stand one year. That is some hot work. Really. But that is a giant tent. I only see a couple people in there right now. Anyway, we are going to close the vlog out here. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Those would always help us out. We appreciate that a lot. We've got the best subbies. You guys are awesome. Alright, until the next video, remember, live weird. Bye.